na pwede nating talagang panghawakan at saka parang parang gawing non-negotiable. Kumbaga.
So, bro, ano ang challenge natin for our Christmas listeners this 2025?
Is to challenge talaga to create, not to create, pero kung hanapin natin yung parang paano ba tayo ano ba ang nasa ating Christmas tradition na pwede nating talagang panghawakan at saka parang gawing non-negotiable. Kumbaga. So, yun ang parang i-challenge sa ating mga Pinoy husbands na kahit nasan kayo sa mundo, importante yun na parang non-negotiable tayo. Hindi lang parang kesyo, gagawin lang natin. Hindi talaga by heart na pwedeng ipasa sa ating mga anak at saka pwede din siyang talagang a point of reflection kung baga why we really do, why we really celebrate Christmas.
It's like making Christmas spiritual, ensuring that this is not just about the gifts, not about the tradition, but it's beyond that reflects your identity as a Christian.
Tutuusin, nung unang Christmas nga, wala naman talagang walang masyadong ganap. It was quiet. It was very holy, and that's why kasi nga we take out all the fanfare, all that's why I love the idea of Christmas kasi it doesn't require all of these fancy elements that we see now just to make it Christmas.
Yeah,
kasi hindi yun talaga yung meaning ng Pasko, diba?
And then just to finalize that, no, as kingdom builders, how do we show to our community, to our people, na as a Christian builder, how do you emphasize that during Christmas? Kasi that should be your identity. Christmas is something that should be celebrated as a kingdom builder.
There is this verse that says that we will be known by the world that we are followers of Jesus by how we love others. And I think that's just, to me, the most important thing, especially during sa Pasko. Again, tanggalin mo lahat ng lights at saka glitters dyan and whatever, music, everything. Tanggalin mo lahat. Walang kwenta yan kapag walang message of love. At hindi naman siya out of love, wala ding kwenta.